Hi,
Hi.
welcome to Secretariat Talks. Please introduce yourself.
Hi everyone. This is Rotractor Rishabh Jogani, the secretary for our Rotrac Club of Mulund Hillview for the year 1920.
So, Rishabh will be asking you four questions about your year and your experience. Starting with the first question, what was your experience as the secretary for Rotary Club Mulund Hillview in the year 1920?
Okay, my experience as a secretary for the club was, matlab, I will start from the beginning. So most of everyone doesn't know ki by I didn't start off this as a secretary in the year 1920. So I started my journey as a joint sec for the club, and a few months down the line, I got promoted to the post of secretary. So when it started, matlab, when my president Mithil first came to me ki with the position of joint sec कि भाई ऋषभ तू joint sec करेगा क्या. तो it was a bit of a surprise कि मेरे को खुद को भी ये नहीं था कि कभी मैं secretariat avenue क्या I pictured myself as a secretary for the club, be it secretary or joint sec. तो it was a bit of I was also surprised कि भाई कर पाऊंगा मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा what it will be. But at the end I took the opportunity and said to myself कि कुछ नहीं तो कुछ था कुछ तो सीखने मिलेगा. So yeah, that's how my journey actually began as a joint secretary for the club. And yes, so during the year it was matlab a big learning curve for me. There were a lot of things which I didn't knew कि was possible in road track कि मेरे को नहीं पता था कि भाई there was so many things happening in the back end of the club. And yeah, and a few months down the line I got the opportunity to become the secretary of the club, and I didn't even hesitate twice. मतलब once also कि भाई मिला है opportunity, and I really love the avenue. By then I was like कि भाई कुछ भी हो जाए. Am I stuck? Hello. हाँ, करना ही करना है. So yeah, few months down the line, I became the secretary of the club, and yeah, the experience was really amazing. मतलब day by day मेरे को कुछ ना कुछ नया सीखने मिलता था. I didn't picture myself as someone being responsible in the club, but at the end, when the responsibility came to me, I really worked really well under pressure. So yeah, the experience was really one for the books, and it was actually you say everyone has a purpose of joining road track. I actually found my purpose and matlab, my place of belonging in road track with the secretariat.
Okay, that's really nice. Um, so, you've almost answered my second question, but what changes did you observe at the end of your tenure?
At the end of the tenure, apart from the things I said, I became really calm and patient, which weren't some qualities that I had. मतलब I was थोड़ा, but वो लेवल एकदम ऐसा इंक्रीज हो गया. मतलब डीलिंग विद सो मेनी पीपल, कोई काम नहीं कर रहा है तो उसके साथ भी एकदम ऐसा शांति से डील करना. एट द एंड यू नीड टू गेट द वर्क डन. And yeah, apart from that, changes in myself would be I used to doubt myself थोड़ा before that कि भाई कि मैं responsibility ले पाऊंगा कि नहीं इतना सारा. Even मतलब वो secretariat का जब मेरे को secretary का position offer किया, वो थोड़ा सा तो doubt था ही कि भाई secretary of the club, it's a very big position. एंड वो भी हाफ ईयर मतलब ऐसा मिड ऑफ द ईयर में टेकिंग अप द सेक्रेटरीट पोजीशन. इट वाज मतलब थोड़ा अ बिट स्कैरी, बट एट द एंड ठीक है, ले लिया. बोला कि कुछ कुछ ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या ही होगा. एंड चेंज नहीं बोल सकता. आई हैड दैट मतलब वो टेक वाला कीड़ा मेरे इसमें ही पहले से. साइंस बैकग्राउंड, इंजीनियर, आई लव टेक एंड integrating it with anything I work. मतलब be it road track or non-road track. It is one of the things that I had before, but after मतलब being associated with the Secretariat Avenue, I feel it has amplified a lot. मतलब मेरे को I keep up with stuff right now, right from small to small Excel changes कि भाई Excel में कुछ change हुआ तो किधर अपन अप्लाई कर सकते हैं क्या, डेटाबेस में अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, अटेंडेंस ट्रैकिंग में अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, या एनी सच थिंग. तो या ये चेंज नहीं था, बट इट गॉट एम्पलीफाइड. whatever thing I.
Okay. So Sneha, will continue with the next two questions.
Yeah. Okay, so Rishabh, what are the differences that you have noticed in last year and this year? As in last year when things were on ground, and this year as things are online.
As things are different between online and offline. Oh, very interesting
Yeah.
question. So I will tell you one thing. I will give you, मतलब people say कि भाई on ground better है, सब everything should be on ground में projects में मजा आता है, and no doubt projects, big projects, district projects, club projects on ground होते हैं, the bonding that we share, मिलके जो connection we have with people, no doubt it is nothing can replace it. The online कितना भी कर लो, that feeling and that sense of being together is unmatched. मतलब कुछ भी हो जाए. But talking from a purely secretariat perspective, things being online would have been the best thing that can happen to any secretary, because the things that were happening offline were a bit more inefficient, and the things that we established, matlab, we as a district, not only just us as clubs, but as a district also, when the opportunity came कि भाई पैंडेमिक हो गया, अभी अपने को ऑनलाइन करना ही करना है, तो कि किसी को भी नो वन इमेजिन कि भाई मीटिंग्स अपन ऑनलाइन करेंगे. अगर मेरे पास 50-60 मेंबर है, मेरे 50 के 60 मेंबर भी मीटिंग्स में आएंगे एक साथ. These things couldn't happen on ground. मतलब मैं अगर मैं कितना भी करूं, मैं सबके घर पे भी जाके बेल मारूं कि भाई मीटिंग आओ, कोई नहीं आता. Coming to even the back end stuff, certain things which were maintained off, मतलब on paper were digitized. मतलब जितना भी हो सके, the things turned into digital work, and that's a really efficient way. And I feel कि भाई वो tech जो मेरा ये है कीड़ा, that was मतलब एकदम ऐसा अलग ही लेवल पे चला गया था कि भाई ये साल तो अभी it is online, तो भाई जूम में क्या कर सकते हैं अपन. जूम वाज एज डिफरेंट फॉर एवरीवन. मतलब हम लोग भी वी टैकल्ड जूम एज अ डिस्ट्रिक्ट वाज कि भाई हम लोग भी फर्स्ट टाइम यूज कर रहे थे. तो फाइंडिंग न्यू थिंग्स एंड मतलब इम्प्रोवाइजिंग इट एवरी डे बाय डे was something which I really loved. कि भाई कुछ नया करते हैं, we will teach the clubs and the clubs will again carry it forward. Again coming to इसके बाद भी I really feel from on a personal level कि भाई there is a actual gap between where the technology is in the real world, where the world is moving with the technology, and we as a road track movement where we are. We aren't utilizing the maximum amount of technology that is present in the outdoor world. And I feel this year being online, it actually set up a bridge between the world and where we are in road track. And it didn't, matlab, we didn't meet those two things, but the initial foundation was laid कि भाई अगर आगे भी फ्यूचर में भी we have the reference point कि भाई online भी हुआ, कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. So yeah, that was something which I really feel कि from a secretariat perspective, that was one of the best things that could have happened to any secretary.
Absolutely.
Okay, so I'll move on to the next question. So Rishabh, what are the challenges that you faced in your journey from becoming the secretary of your club and becoming the DCM, joint secretary of the district?
Okay. Challenges as such, so I will basically focus on my club. There were many challenges that I faced as my tenure in my club as a joint secretary as well as a secretary. We didn't have the main focus of me and my president throughout the year was कि भले ही अगर अपने पास ये साल नहीं है, we will set it up for the future teams to come. No other, मतलब the following team shouldn't come in and मतलब start from ground zero. So at least what we did is कि we found whatever things we had in handover, we found कि भाई क्या क्या systems already है, क्या क्या efficient way में और better कर सकते हैं हम, and क्या क्या नहीं है तो वो हम setup करा के at least establish कर देंगे. We won't do मतलब ऐसा crazy things, but it shouldn't be कि भाई next year's team comes in and मतलब starts again. Apart from such secretariat backend stuff, I really feel that the secretary's role is not just being matlab, aisa, writing minutes, reporting, and dealing with the backend stuff. It is actually being the leader of the club. Actually, if you see, secretary is the second most important person in the club in any year. So I really took, when I got the opportunity to become a secretary half year down the line, I really took it as an opportunity to polish up on my leadership skills and lead my club whenever it was required in any form whatsoever. I will give you certain examples. Like we had a lot of, any club has directors resigning, co-team members resigning or stepping down, or for whatever reason, personal reasons or any other. So there was a time where we didn't have any replacements. कि भाई अभी it was like कि last quarter ही बाकी है. If we bring someone in, तो उन लोग को समझाने को would be a different task than to do it ourselves. So there were certain avenues which were taken up by the Secretariat Avenue itself. कि भाई हम ही कर लेंगे, कोई नहीं है तो. At the end, I will give you the best example. The last month, we signed a twin club relationship in the last month of the year. June में हम जाके twin club sign किए and almost 25th के बाद sign किए. Because that was one thing कि भाई Mithil and me were like कि नहीं कुछ ऐसा ending में let's do something for the club as a press sec. So we sat and went through signing पूरा international service avenue से we signed a twin club, and it was a really special thing which I thought कि भाई as a secretary भी कि I didn't stick to my role profile कि भाई अगर sec का है तो sec work ही नहीं किया मैं. I was there for the club whenever it was required. And coming to my journey, transitioning into DCM, I didn't see कि भाई अरे there wasn't कि भाई ऐसा vision कि भाई कभी council join करना है, ये नहीं करना है, वो करना है. So during the end of my secretariat year, the one thing that I was sure कि I love the secretariat avenue, and I want to explore whatever more is in that particular avenue. So I thought कि भाई district would be an opportunity कि भाई the scale of things would be different, the people I would be working with would be different, being involved with a team rather than just sec and joint sec in the club, which I already knew, the people who I already knew. So that would be a different challenge and something that I could explore. तो वही just एक ये सीखने के लिए I thought कि चल let's apply for district. हुआ, लगा तो लगा, नहीं लगा तो ठीक है, कोई ये नहीं है. And luckily कि I got selected as a district joint secretary, and yeah, the past 1 year has really been ऐसा कि I thought 1920 was the year कि भाई मैंने कुछ ज्यादा ही सीख लिया, बस अभी इससे ज्यादा को क्या ही सीखेंगे road track. And when you join district and you see the scale, dealing with a club and dealing with 120 clubs, dealing with administration of one club and dealing with an entire district as a whole. And I know Sakshi, you will also experience it next year. So yeah, all I can say is ki enjoy the journey. It will be really a great one that you will experience.
It's already started, so I can sort of relate. Thank you so much, Rishabh, for joining us. It was great talking to you.
It was really my pleasure.